Welcome to, don't press the button too. I have no idea what the first one has to offer. But just don't press it. Okay, then. I mean, we all know fight to the death. I didn't get to. I want to touch it. I'm doing it anyway. Welcome to Death Spinner. Don't touch the lava. Did it give me a chance? No. It did not give me a chance. Did not give me a chance. And I'm the one who pressed it, right? I don't know, presto. Yes, I am. It shows your face. Oh gosh, I'm going crazy. Woo! Drugs and alcoholic. Oh god, please stop. End that madness. Get to this. Oh, come on, it fell off. Clearly, I just instantly fall. That's ridiculous. Just don't send me anywhere, why don't you? Just send me to nowhere land. Where you just like fell off the world. Oh my gosh. This is weird. Alright, so we're gonna just jump. Alright, no, me press the button! No, some people have big heads. I pressed it. Hey, look, there I am up there. Oh, you little. Oh, God, Piggy! Piggy! No more, Piggy! Piggy! Piggy killed someone. Piggy, you fat thingy, my bobber. You're just a rip-off Peppa Pig life. This is a blue pad. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it for you. No, she has speed. I should have got to do it. How did nothing even happen? Let me press. Oh, I'm literally glitching. Wee, I am like so flippin' in the air. Oh, no, press the button! Press the button! Well, use your gum to jump to the top. Alright. Jump to the top. There we go. Top of the world. How do you reach that high? What the? Does it give you that much time? Almost fell off in brokenness. Hear ye, God. Whoa, that's great. Oh, come on. Are you kidding me? No, B press button. Ew, who's farting? Ah, I'm farting. No. The massive diarrhea. Oh, I don't have 50 Robux to drop a big old nuke on everybody. No, what's happening? I'm extra sick. I'm a sick boy. Woo! God, there's a piggy. Hey, Piggy, you missed your cousin. Your cousin was here earlier, Piggy. Your cousin was here earlier. And he tried to, he killed someone. He killed quite a few people. Leave your bomb or something. Killed quite a few people. Ah, it's a big soccer ball. Knock it off the edge. Oh, gosh. Knock it off the edge. Ah, this person has pink hair. Knock it off the edge. Knock it off the edge. No, what are you doing, people? Knock it off the edge. What? Yes! Yay. It's gone. Ah, oh, she took an egg. Red cape, blue cape, your mom cape. Your mom's a cape. Coins! Let me jump up here. Hey, wait, why do I look like that? Oh, God. Oh, this. Okay, well, this doesn't look hard. This is easy. That was easy. I'm pressing it. I'm pressing it. Yes, I just. Run away. Ah, there's bombs. What the? Bomb me. Bombs. Yeah. Jump. Jump. Yeah. What the flip? Piggy? Hey, who pressed it? Ah, Piggy! Piggy, you doing, you stinking piggy? Oh, no. Oh! God, no, please. Okay. What the? Oh, shoot. What is this? Oh! What was that? I feel like freaking disgusting pebbles. Yeah. Oh, God, it's Baldy. Why is my hair here? Why is my hair here? Oh, it's gone. Ah! Tornado. What do you do in a tornado? You need to outrun people. You just need to. You don't need to outrun the tornado if your house breaks. You just need to. Oh God, bacon! Flip, you come. Okay. Hey, bacon. What the flip? Me wanna press the button. Wander is right. Oh, come on! I instantly died.
Survival on Roblox.
No.
No, I was there, tornado.
Okay, guys. So, oh, this guy has a freaking cape and he died. How did this guy has? What the flip is this guy? Ah! Water is rising. Hurry, get to safety. Well, I died because I spawned me right by the edge. No, me want to press it. Hey, Baldy, how's your day? Don't kill me, please. Baldy, don't kill me, you rapist. No, this dingaling took my egg. Hey, you stupid Baldy. Baldy doesn't do anything, does he? The bridge is falling apart. Get to the other side. I don't care that it's falling apart. Make it fall apart for the rest of the people. What the heck are you? You're all purple. You're creepy. Yeah, the tsunami's coming fast. Get to safety. Alright, on my duty. Get to safety. Woo! Parkour. Nobby. Baby. Oh, wait, what is this? Tsunami. 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 Zoinks, zoinks, zoinks. I almost fell off the edge. Jinky. That little flip. I wish he didn't. I wish he'd jump off a cliff and die.
Like my water.
I hate you. You're a stupid idiot. Sorry, guys. I hate that guy so bad. And it's Hobby Boost. Yeah, let's kick this stupid purple idiot. His nickname's Purple Nurple, dude. His nickname's Purple Nurple Idiot. That's what I'm calling him now. Haha. I'm done with him. If he's being mean, I'm calling him a name. Purple Nurple Idiot. Then we got Piggy, Purple Nurple Idiot, and then me. That guy's a freaking cheater, God. He's a greedy perv. That's what he is. He's a greedy jerk. Purple Nurple Man's rude. Everybody, Purple Nurple Man is big and beanie. Purple Nurple Idiot. I forgot that. Purple Nurple Idiot. Purple Nurple Man. Flip is a difference. This guy's gonna push me off. Just watch him. Look, he tried to kick me off. Still counts, dummy. Haha, idiot. It still counts, idiot. Idiot. He's such an idiot. Guys, that guy's so... He's cheating. It's the first time I've ever done it and a jerk helped me. A jerk helped me. Purple Nurple Man, idiot. See, sometimes you just have to hate the people with Robux and VIPs. So I guess you have to hate me. Oh, come on. Why are we in heaven? Come on, man. No. Not heaven. Get me out of here, please. Especially that stupid angel. Oh! Okay, I could have saw. What the fuck? Oh, what the Please don't have time's up. Give me the egg, give me the egg. Yay, green. No! Get to red, get to red. I hate him. Really? Ha ha, you died anyway. Ha ha. he's actually a piece of... He left! Oh, yes! He left! Yes! No! No, he's back. I hate him. There's always this one jerk. What the... Oh, okay. What? Oh, come on. What was that? Oh, well. Yeah, boy. I didn't know this guy said that badly. See, look, he's cheating. He's gonna just knock people off. Watch him. He's gonna cheat and then knock people off. Oh my god, I'm leaving this game! Ah! Sorry, guys. Sorry for that. I'm reporting him. I'll be back, guys. Alright, guys, so he ended up leaving, which I'm kind of mad at, because I wanted to report him. He just waited. Why is there a piggy head? What is... Why is there a piggy head? What the... Oh, no, not the boulders. Why is there a piggy head, though? Like, what the... Oh, it's time to race. 3, 2, 1, 0. I'm cheating. Bye. Hey, how are you so quick? Doing this. Hey, I want to. I win! Winner! Winner! I'm a winner! Well, I'm a winner. Now let's see if the jerk. Now let's see if I can do it, because jerkweed's gone. I know what I want to say really bad. I want to say something way worse than what I just said. Something way more inappropriate. But I'm a nice person. I'm the only one who won. And these two. Oh, see, she did too. Hey, you can just stand on that one. Are you serious? Oh, the water is rising. Get to the top. Oh, God, it is rising. No, okay. Alright, see, now that's just how you cheat. Boom! Easy as pie. No lava! Wait, it's still rising! Wait, yeah, it's supposed to rise over those, but then that's it, right? Okay, after they're gone, it shouldn't rise anymore. Okay, it's... Stop. It stopped, right? Why is there a shark eating cheeseburger? Can it be something more not ridiculous? I mean, we got super jump in this, but come on, man. Come on. Ice Corona. Okay, let's get this. Welcome to death. Don't touch lava. This already looks like lava, so what do you mean? Oh shoot, it's glitching. Alright, come at me. Yeah, exactly. Alright, here comes more. Haha, didn't touch me. Ah, I won! Oh, who did it? Why is there a dog? Jump on the dog, break him. Kick this one over. Kick it over, push it off the edge. Push the dog. Oh, I wanted to push the dog. Oh, I know what to do. I'm pretty sure if you just... Boom! Alive. I win! I beat this! Woo! I think, right? Alright, like and subscribe, comment, leave a comment, see you next one, bye!